Basically, what's going on here? It's a little project I've been working on. It's basically a speedometer. Mind the name of the program. I spelled it wrong, and it's an acceleration display, but it's also it's a acceleration and speed display. Yeah, let me try it out. I'm gonna just put in nice little initial speed of zero, initial rev per minute of 0.5. Oh, horsepower. Yeah, horsepower. Forgot it's horsepower. Yeah, and then it results in a calculated speed of 0.01. Then let me just up it up a notch. Um, just get to 500 horsepower. That equals to 11.31. Then after that, let me just say maybe 2k horsepower. Then it's 45. I'm still in like what, third gear. Okay, let me increase it. What's the max horsepower like in the world? I don't even know. But then like just and 10,000 horsepower. Yes. Yeah. Then it gives me 226.9 kilometers per hour. That's freaking fast. And then I still have to fix the speed with an acceleration factor. But I'll get there. I'll get there. Right now, it's like I'm trying to understand how video games are able to get what they have. And maybe the guy's about to turn a corner. Maybe just has an acceleration of like 500 around the corner. That's too slow, but fine. Then yeah, that's it. That's it.